Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some new stuff and I'm so excited. I got an address and they told me to be there at 12 and I'm here, so let's go see what's happening. Okay, I'm feeling the vibes. Okay, I'm feeling the vibes. Got my setup going from behind the scenes for my YouTube. Then I got my stuff over here, which is all my shoes. I bring my own shoes. Jay has shoes, but I also bring shoes. That's it. Have Nico over here setting up things from Jay Bolin. Plenty of shoes. Oh, these are fun. Some fun accessories. I love it. You guys, how cute is this? It's such an old school vibe. I love that. So over here is the setup. Guys, this is our set today. Markins is of course shooting.
I'm retired.
You're not retired. It's gonna be fun. Check this place out, guys. I definitely gotta get a little. Oh, hey. Let me come say hey. Hey guys, you know, I got my hair pins up, ready to shoot. Oh, I gotta come over here and shoot. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Great job. Yeah, come on. Doing good job, baby. Any young thing? Yeah, you got it, y'all. Yep. I don't get it. I put my whole.
That's have a few outfits left, and I will say this top is giving me life. Seriously, this was supposed to be just a headshot, but of course me and Nico looked at each other like we have to do more. So I threw some heels on after we got this all set up, and then I did my shots for Jay, and me and Nico went into the back, and there was a dope set. Check it out. With the locker?
Yeah, I was about to say that.
Yes. Being extra creative, me and Nico. So you never take how we used to be. All right. That's a wrap for me.
Yep, you are wrapped up, lady. Thank you.
I am officially wrapped up. It's my last
We got
look.
like 20 minutes to get out of here.
So cute.